How to delete Shopify account after trial. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can delete or cancel your Shopify account even if you just have started a trial. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So here I just opened a new store, a trial that's gonna end like in 3 days or so. But if you don't want that, you must go into the settings here in the bottom left corner and then go into the second option, plan. There, as you can see, I can deactivate the trial. So you just have to click there and to select the main reason why you are closing this store. Let's suppose I was just testing Shopify out. Anything you would like to add, this is optional, and tapping continue and deactivate your store. After you deactivate your store, you will no longer have access to Shopify admin, including your sales data, reports, or product and customer information. So just remember that if you decide to give this another try, they'll retain this information so you can kickstart your store with easy. Okay? Once you have clicked here in the Activate Store red button, you have deleted your Shopify account after trial. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.